In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alura to your Etsy shop. We're going to walk through the full process together in a simple and clear way, so you can get your Alura account linked to Etsy without confusion. This connection allows Alura to access your store data and helps you use its tools more effectively, so it's an important setup step if you want everything working properly from the start. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Alura website. Using Chrome can help ensure the site loads smoothly and that pop-ups or login windows behave as expected during the connection process. Once you arrive on the Alura homepage, look for the Sign Up option and click it to create your account. As you go through registration, enter your details and complete the account creation process. Make sure the information you use is accurate and accessible, since you may need it again later when logging back in. After your account has been created, sign in if needed and continue to your Alura dashboard. From the dashboard, find the option labeled Connect Shop and select it. This is the section where Alura begins the process of linking to your Etsy store. When you click it, a new window should appear prompting you to sign in to Etsy. If nothing opens right away, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, since that can sometimes prevent the login window from appearing. In the Etsy login window, sign into your Etsy account using the account connected to the shop you want to sync. Take a moment here to confirm you're using the correct Etsy account, especially if you manage more than one shop or have multiple accounts saved in your browser. Using the right account at this stage helps avoid sync issues later. After you log in, Etsy will display a permission screen asking you to authorize the connection. Review the request, then click Allow Access. This step gives Alura permission to sync with your Etsy store data, which is necessary for the integration to work correctly. Once access is allowed, the connection should complete automatically, and your Etsy shop will be linked to Alura. If the page takes a moment to refresh, that's normal, so give it a few seconds to finish syncing. And that's it. Your Alura account is now connected to your Etsy shop. If you found this helpful, you can now move on to exploring the dashboard and using the available tools with your synced store data.